Animals have many different behaviors and defense mechanisms. From poisonous methods and electric shocks to extraordinary ways to carry loads, climb trees, fly, and even inflate the body against attack. Let's see together. Coconut crab. The islands of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Coconut crabs are giant crustaceans living on Earth. These crabs can grow up to 1 meter, but their strength makes them famous. These crabs can lift more than 30 kilograms and are known for eating coconut. To find out the bite power of these crabs, a team of researchers collected 29 coconut crabs on the Japanese island of Okinawa and attached steel sensors to both sides of the crabs. The forces exerted by these crabs varied from 29.4 N to 1765.2 N. To better understand this, we need to know that the power of human bites is about 340 N. Because the force of these crabs depends on their body weight, the researchers calculated that the force of a 4-kilogram crab bite should be 3,300 newtons, which is more than the force of any animal on Earth, including leopards, bears, and wild dogs. Flying fish. Warm oceans around the world. Their most remarkable feature is their large, unnatural fins, which enable them to fly or jump short over the water and escape from their fissures. Before coming out of the water, the flying fish travel 37 miles per hour to the surface. When they reach the required speed, the flying fish jumps out of the water and spreads its wings. Flying fish can reach a height of 4 feet in the air and travel 655 feet before returning to the water. Blowfish. Tropical and subtropical waters around the world. These fish swallow large amounts of water to defend themselves and make themselves inedible. Blowfish contains a poison called tetrodotoxin, which is about 1,000 times more toxic than cyanide. Hardwick's woolly bat. Southeast Asia. Most bats live in groups in caves, but the Hardwick woolly bat prefers more luxurious and private nests. This tropical tiny bat nests in tropical pot plants. Tropical carnivorous plants usually attract insects, but the tropical potted plant lacks the specific odor that other plants in its family emit to attract insects. As a result, few insects fall prey to the plant. The small Hardwick bat pours feces into the plant, providing more than a third of its nitrogen requirements. Therefore, coexistence with this bat is vital for plant survival. Discovered in 2009, these bats are the only species of bats that live inside potted plants. Irrawaddy dolphin. Southeast Asia. Irrawaddy dolphin lives in the seas and oceans of Southeast Asia. While these dolphins are very happy animals, they are also very relaxing. Unfortunately, only about 97 Irrawaddy dolphins remain in the world. Many fishermen say that these dolphins, which live mostly at the foot of rivers, help fish by guiding them into fishing nets. Sea bunnies, scientifically known as Girona parva. Indian and Pacific Oceans. These sea creatures may look funny, but they have very poisonous skin that protects them from predators. This tiny creature, of which the largest recorded size was only 60 centimeters, has a short lifespan, and its average lifespan is between 2 months to 1 year. The lifespan of this creature largely depends on its habitat and size. The Siberian salamander. The Arctic, Northern Europe, and Northern Asia. An amphibian can freeze its body until the temperature rises again to survive at shallow temperatures.